guys, so today we are going to continue with profits and losses and the questions related to that. So first of all, I would like to tell you that today we are going to do with the discounting question, and I will be doing with a particular formula, that is when we need to calculate discount, equivalent value of discount basically. So herein we use formula x plus y minus xy upon by 100. Okay, so herein we will be having divide by 100, and this formula we will be using in order to calculate with the discounting part. So I will be doing with the question. Okay, so the question number 1 says find equivalent discount of 10% and 20%. So how we will be solving it? So you do not have to do anything, you just need to keep in mind this formula, that is, now herein we have x as 10% and y as 20%. So 10 multiplied by 20 divided by 100, we will be subtracting, we will be adding here, and we will be calculating with the parts. So what is the formula that we will be putting in the formula? This value, that will be 10 plus 20 minus 200, that is by 100, so it will be 2. So it will be 28%. So equivalent discount of 10 and 20% is 28%, that you will be applying in all. Whenever like a question is given to you that what is the discounting value equivalent to 10 and 20% if they are applied separately, so what will be the equivalent percentage? So you will apply this type of formula and you will be calculating it. Okay, now I will explain you with different kind of question, that is some special cases wherein you use a particular formulas, or you can just identify them in order to calculate. Okay, so now first of all, special case series wherein this is a particular type of question that is mostly asked in exams. So like when you are given total quantity of like 1000 and you are asked that if part of this quantity is sold at x percentage of profit, and then part B of this particular quantity is sold at y percentage, then when question says that you are given total profit of R and it says that what is the cost price of this quantity. Okay, so what is the formula in order to calculate? If you are working with this separately, taking out with the profit, so it will take a lot of time. So we will directly be applying with the formula, that is R divided by AX plus BY into 100. So this will be formula that you will be using in order to calculate with cost price of that item. Okay, so this is a special case series which is mostly asked in exams, because these kind of questions are a bit of tricky part that you need to understand and go through them. Okay, so now coming up with the next type of special series, like if your the question says a shopkeeper purchases medicine for rupees 9,000 rupees, and then from a company he sells that 1/3 part of the medicine at a loss of 30%, and then it says that on which gain he should sell the rest of the medicine so that he have neither loss or not gain. That is, on 2/3 part he should have 30% plus 30% gain. Okay, so that this loss is covered and he is neither having loss nor having any gain. So you have to keep in mind that 30% should be equal to 30% of 1/3 of that item. Okay, so it should be like when we are calculating with this part, it is 3000 into 30 upon 100, that is equal to 900. So your gains should be of 900 rupees on the rest of the part, that is on 6000 rupee item, that is you should be having 900 rupees gain. Okay, so question says what is the profit percentage that you are required to have. So it is not that you will be necessarily having 30% of the gain. Okay, why? Because see, here you are having 2/3 of the part, so it's not necessary that it will have 30%. In fact, you will have less of the profit margin here because quantity is more. Okay, so what is the direct formula that we just understood here was, we will be having a formula that is 1 by 3 into 100 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So this will be equal to 15%. Now you should have 15% of gain in order to consume that loss of 30%. Alright, so that's all with today's session, and then in next class we will be doing a very fresh topic. And also do tell me guys if you want to practice with the questions. I'll attach a PDF. In my next session I will give a PDF in description box. Thank you very much.